Many Amazon sellers ignore hazmat products, and this creates opportunity. Many profitable products are overlooked because sellers believe hazmat is difficult or risky, but this situation allows other sellers to make profit. Hazmat products are common everyday items that need extra care during shipping. These products have special rules for storage, labeling, and delivery, but for online sellers, this complexity can become an advantage. In this video, you will learn what hazmat products are and why many sellers avoid them. You will also see how tools like Actorio help sellers manage hazmat products in a simple and safe way. Hazmat products can be flammable, corrosive, or harmful if they are not handled correctly. Examples include aerosol sprays, cleaning products, batteries, paints, and solvents, which are often classified as hazmat by Amazon. Amazon has strict rules for hazmat products. These items need special packaging, special storage, and approved shipping methods, and sellers who do not understand these rules often choose not to sell hazmat products. When many sellers avoid hazmat, competition becomes much lower. With fewer sellers, products are easier to sell, visibility improves, and prices are often more stable, which can lead to higher profit. With the right data, sellers can find hazmat products with steady demand. Historical data shows that demand in many hazmat categories stays stable over time, even when the number of sellers is low. Amazon FBA has clear hazmat policies that sellers must follow. Some warehouses have limits on hazmat storage, and extra safety labels and documents are required before products can be accepted. These rules are important, but they do not mean that hazmat should be avoided. With the right tools and systems, sellers can understand the requirements and manage hazmat products correctly and safely. Platforms like Actorio make hazmat easier to work with. Sellers can filter products by hazard type, identify restricted items early, and focus on products that are allowed and profitable. This saves time and reduces risk. It also helps sellers find products with low competition and stable demand, making hazmat possible even for small or new sellers. Market data shows a clear pattern. Most hazmat categories have fewer sellers compared to normal products, while customer demand remains similar. Ignoring hazmat products often means missing profit opportunities. Sellers who use data and take action early can benefit before more competition enters the market. In summary, many sellers avoid hazmat products because they seem complex. This complexity creates opportunity in markets with low competition. With the right tools, such as Actorio, hazmat products can be sold safely and profitably on Amazon. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Check the description for links to Actorio and other helpful resources.